Roasted breadcrumbs.
The breadcrumbs.
Why do you have to eat with a mask on?
I'm Iron Man. Nobody can know who I am.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
I just threw it together.
You just
Threw it together.
No use in wasting all that cheese from the party.
yeah, no.
Nobody ate. You don't even need any seasonings because that cheese had that red pepper in it.
Is this just a way for you to be lazier?
Lazier. Not nice. Not lazy at all. Oops.